Teachers tend to think that they have to monitor students very closely and check that everyone, is working and everyone is producing correct English. Pair work should be a chance for practice, but sometimes teachers feel that it's also for assessment. So it's like we teachers find it very difficult to just let go of this idea of correctness. What we found in our research is that when teachers monitored pair work very closely, some of the students felt intimidated by the teacher's presence, and this made them, in their own words, stutter, forget what they wanted to do, and instead of focusing on the task, they were thinking about what does the teacher expect me to say? What if I say something wrong? So they drifted away from the task. Whereas when teachers monitored from a distance, this gives students the space to experiment, to speak, and to try to produce English.